Do you want to highlight one color of your photo? I will show you how to do that with PhotoDirector. Just open the app, click on Edit, choose your image, and then click on Effects. And here you can find Splash. Tap on the color you want to keep. It will be red in our case. Then adjust it a little bit because there are more colors that are similar to this red, but we would like to keep only the color of the dress. That's it. Yes, if you are satisfied, click on the check mark and do not forget to save your image. Thank you for your kind attention.